In this presentation, we will show you how to lift, hold, and burp the baby after feeding. Before lifting the baby, perform hand hygiene first. Middle hold. Make sure you provide support in their neck, back and head, and so on their bottom. Lap hold. Sit in a chair with your feet firmly on the ground and place your baby in your lap. The head should be at your knees, face up. Baby's feet should be tucked in your waist. Hip hold. Face your baby outward and make sure her sit on your hip bones. You should wrap your hands on her waist and baby will be able to look around comfortably. Burping the baby. Shoulder hold. Make sure you use burping cloths. To manage the mess, sit upright or stand and hold your baby against your chest. Your baby should rest on your shoulder. Gently tap or rub the back to have him burp. Face down on your lap. Hold your baby sitting up in your lap or across your knee. Support the baby's chest and head with one hand by cradling the baby's chin in the palm of your hand. Gently pat the back or rub to help him burp. Sitting up. Gently assist the baby in a sitting position. Support the neck and the head. Gently pat the back or rub to help him burp.